This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kandi Karban. Welcome to your own private country estate. 52 plus acres total of improved pasture as far as the eyes can see. This comfortable 3/2/2 ranch style home is loaded with agricultural amenities including a 3-car garage/workshop, 50 by 46 pole barn which has steel trusses virtually hurricane proof, and a 36 by 30 equipment barn with a deep well. The 3-car garage could be used as a mother-in-law suite too. The home sits on 10 acres with a 16 by 14 screened porch and newer metal roof. There is an adjacent parcel included comprising a total of 52 acres, 42 of which are pasture field with pangola grass yielding 300 to 400 bales of hay. There is a pond on this parcel which is stocked with massive bass and catfish. Deer, quail and rabbit sightings are a common sight on this property. Cross fencing allows for grazing cattle. Income opportunities are abound with the sod value alone. The home on the property has an amazing fireplace. The owners built the home and spared no expense. All trusses are not load-bearing. The home is extremely well insulated. The newer carpet has high-density anti-allergic padding. There is a newer metal roof installed to perfection. The home has fiber optics, so you'll never have dropped calls in your serene private